Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 30 innovative woodworking tools every modern woodworker needs. From precision cutting and smart measuring to time-saving workshop gadgets, these incredible tools can boost accuracy, improve efficiency, and make every project easier. Stay with us until the end to discover your next must-have woodworking upgrade. XGT Sanders. The Makita XGT Sanders combine cordless convenience with professional-grade performance for woodworking and automotive finishing. Their innovative split body design places the battery on a belt-mounted holster, making the sander lightweight and reducing user fatigue. Available in multiple orbit and pad configurations, they handle everything from aggressive material removal to fine finishing. Features like AWS Bluetooth dust collection, net mesh abrasives, and brushless motors deliver cleaner, more efficient sanding for demanding professional applications. Detail Sander. The Dovaman 130 watt. Detail Sander is a lightweight, corded palm sander designed for precision sanding, furniture restoration, and paint removal. Its 130 watt motor delivers a consistent 12,000 revolutions per minute, while the triangular sanding pad easily reaches corners and tight spaces. Weighing just 1.87 pounds, it offers comfortable one-handed control with reduced vibration. Built-in dust collection, a vacuum adapter, and included sanding sheets make it an efficient, clean solution for detailed woodworking and home improvement projects. Amperes Belt Sander. The Galax Pro 8 amp belt sander is a powerful corded tool built for fast material removal, paint stripping, and smoothing large wooden surfaces. Its 8 amp motor and 6-speed control deliver excellent performance for both light finishing and aggressive sanding. Featuring automatic belt tracking, a 3-position auxiliary handle, flip-up front hood, and efficient dust collection, it offers comfort and versatility. Compatible with the standard 3x21-inch sanding belts, it is an affordable choice for DIY ears and woodworkers. Bench Belt Sander. The Bucktool. Bench Belt Sander is a durable stationary machine designed for woodworking, metalworking, and sharpening tasks. Its direct drive induction motor delivers quieter operation, greater efficiency, and eliminates belt drive maintenance. Available in several sizes, it features adjustable belt positions, quick belt tracking, hook and loop sanding discs, and dual dust collection ports for cleaner operation. Built with heavy cast iron or aluminum bases for stability, Bucktool sanders provide reliable performance for hobbyists, DIYers, and professional workshops alike. Disc Sander. The Workpro belt. Disc sander combines a 4x36-inch belt and 6-inch disc to handle shaping, smoothing, beveling, and edge finishing with ease. Powered by a reliable 1/2 horsepower induction motor, it delivers consistent performance for woodworking projects. The adjustable belt and tilting worktable provide excellent versatility, while the heavy cast iron base reduces vibration for greater stability. Quick belt changes and built-in dust collection make it a practical addition to any workshop. Orbital Sander. The Dongcheng Random. Orbital Sander is a dependable 5-inch finishing tool designed for sanding wood, metal, and plastic surfaces. Available in 300 watt and 380 watt models, it features variable speed control, dual action sanding, and an 8-hole hook and loop pad for smooth, swirl-free results. Its balanced design and rubber grip reduce vibration for greater comfort during extended use. Complete with dust collection and vacuum compatibility, it offers excellent performance and value for DIYers and professional woodworkers. Palm Sander. The WEN6301 Electric Detailing. Palm sander is a compact, lightweight tool ideal for furniture restoration, craft projects, and detailed woodworking. Its 1 amp motor delivers up to 13,500 OPM for smooth, efficient sanding, while the triangular pad easily reaches corners and tight spaces. Featuring a hook and loop sanding base, rear dust collection port, and vacuum adapter, it keeps cleanup simple. Comfortable one-handed operation and budget-friendly pricing make it an excellent choice for DIY users and hobbyists. The Poliwell Micro. Sander Kit is a compact hand sanding solution designed for precision work in tight spaces and delicate projects. Its finger-contoured polyurethane foam sanding block provides excellent control and a comfortable grip, while the hook and loop base allows quick sandpaper changes. Available with a wide range of aluminum oxide grits from 80 to 600, the kit is ideal for woodworking, model making, furniture touch-ups, resin crafts, and other detailed finishing tasks requiring accuracy and smooth results. Finishing sander. The Makita Brushless. Finishing sander is a cordless 18-volt tool designed for smooth, professional quality wood finishing. Its efficient brushless motor offers extended runtime and 3 selectable speed settings up to 12,000 OPM for versatile sanding performance. The balanced 1/3 sheet design reduces vibration, while the removable front handle improves access to tight spaces. With effective dust collection, optional AWS Bluetooth compatibility, and consistent power under load, it delivers clean, precise results for demanding woodworking projects. Detail Sander. The Hychika Detail Sander is a compact corded tool designed for furniture restoration, paint removal, and precision woodworking. Available in 140 watt and 200 watt versions, it delivers high-speed sanding with a triangular pad that easily reaches corners and tight spaces. Its ergonomic rubber grip reduces vibration for comfortable one-handed use, while the hook and loop pad allows quick sandpaper changes. Complete with dust collection and sanding sheets, it offers excellent value for DIY projects and home workshops.
Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set. The Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set features 4-inch and 6-inch CNC machined aluminum triangles designed for highly accurate woodworking measurements. With a flat shoulder-free design, they allow precise squareness checks in tight spaces. Laser engraved inch scales ensure exact measurements, while plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. Accuracy guarantees precision. Polished and red anodized for durability, the triangles can be used separately or joined with brass knobs. The set includes a wall-mountable MDF case and is proudly made in Strongsville, Ohio, USA. Milescraft 1622 Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block. The Milescraft 1622 Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block is a versatile 4-in-1 sanding tool designed for precision on flat, concave, convex and tight-edge surfaces. Compatible with any standard quarter sheet of sandpaper. It features a patented quick snap lock system for fast grit changes. Its ergonomic, durable plastic body ensures comfort and control during extended use. With multiple detailed sanding profiles and an included 150 grit sheet, this compact tool is ideal for woodworking, refinishing, and detailed shaping tasks. Milescraft 3404 PushStick. The Milescraft 3404 PushStick is a must-have woodworking safety tool designed to keep hands safely away from spinning blades and bits on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Its extra tall, ergonomically tilted handle enhances safety, while the high traction TPE base prevents slipping and protects workpieces. The rear foot allows precise push-pull control, and its narrow 3/4 inch profile works well with thin stock durable, impact-resistant plastic in bright yellow ensures visibility and long-lasting use. Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft 8401 Trim 45. Trim Carpentry Aid is a versatile measuring and marking tool that streamlines door, window, and decorative trim installation. It eliminates helpers and tape measure guesswork for precise mitre cuts. Features include an adjustable reveal from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, dual tape measure slots with magnets, stick pins for accurate trim length, a 45-degree angled head, and built-in square. Made from durable plastic with a clamp pad, this hand-powered tool requires no batteries, offering reliable, precise performance every time. Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set. The Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set, Model 69600000, is an essential 3-piece kit for achieving clean, perfectly aligned screw holes when installing wooden deck boards. Its mobile drilling guide ensures straight, consistent spacing, while the adjustable width fits boards from 100 to 145 mm. The pilot drill bit with integrated countersink and depth stop delivers repeatable, professional results every time. Built with durable hardened steel bushings, this set offers accuracy, ease of use, and a polished finish that both experts and DIYers appreciate. Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinder. The Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinders, Model 43870000, is a compact high-performance accessory built for rapid wood removal and creative shaping tasks made from durable C45 tool steel. It fits 115mm and 125mm grinders using an M14 thread. Its 3 sharp cutting teeth and extended shaft allow fast, controlled milling in corners, edges, and curved surfaces. Ideal for slotting, chamfering, hollowing, and sculpting. It delivers aggressive cutting power and must be paired with the Wolfcraft Dust Extraction Hood for safe, low-dust operation. Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box is a smart 2-in-1 tool that works as both a bevel gauge and a mitre box, making angle measuring and cutting incredibly simple. It automatically transfers wall angles to the perfect cutting angle, eliminating guesswork. Ideal for skirting and baseboards. Designed for internal and external angles, it works with wood or plastic boards and pairs best with a fine handsaw. Users love its accuracy and ease of use, though some note the plastic components require gentle handling. Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer. The Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer, Model 40090000, is a precision hand tool built for creating perfect 35-degree beveled edges on gypsum plasterboards. Designed for 9.5mm and 12.5mm board thicknesses, it uses 3 high-performance trapezium blades to deliver clean, accurate cuts in a single pass. Its ergonomic plastic cradle ensures controlled, safe operation, while replaceable blades support long-term use. Users praise its speed, simplicity, and professional results, though some note challenges finding compatible replacement blades. Kreg KBCIC inline clamp. The Kreg KBCIC inline clamp delivers powerful side pressure clamping while keeping your workspace open and unobstructed. Designed to fit standard 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes, it swivels 360 degrees to apply up to 250 pounds of force exactly where you need it. A smooth contoured dial offers quick 4 3/4 inch adjustment, and the low-profile clamp shoe stays below the material surface. Lightweight yet surprisingly strong, it's ideal for assembly, sanding, finishing, and securing awkward or irregular workpieces. Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks offer stable anti-slip support for sanding, routing, finishing, and general assembly tasks. Each hexagon-shaped puck features Grip Max surfaces that keep both the workpiece and the workbench firmly in place. With retractable painting points, they elevate projects cleanly for finishing without smudges. Their 1.5 inch height matches standard 2x4s, adding convenient clearance for clamps and tools. Durable and practical, a set of 4 supports up to 200 pounds, making them ideal for any workshop. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a smart dual-purpose tool designed to speed up joinery by combining drilling and driving into one streamlined process. Its double-ended insert lets you drill a precise pilot hole and counterbore, then instantly flip to a number 2 square drive bit to drive Kreg screws without changing tools, with an adjustable drilling depth, a durable metal build, and a 1/4 inch hex shank compatible with any drill or impact driver. It delivers efficiency, accuracy, and comfort for fast, reliable woodworking joints. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. The EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set offers precision and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Constructed from industrial-grade high-speed steel, HSS, these bits provide durability, sharp cutting, and smooth chip removal. Woodworking sets include tapered bits, wood plug cutters, depth stop collars, and accessories for clean, flush screw installation in wood, plastic, and PVC metalworking sets. Feature a 5-flute design with black oxide finish for heat resistance and efficient drilling. In steel, aluminum, copper, and fiberglass. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp. The GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp is a compact low-profile clamp designed for 5/16 inch T-slot tracks on workbenches, drill presses, and CNC tables. Its eccentric cam mechanism quickly secures workpieces by pressing them inward and downward, leaving the top surface unobstructed. Ideal for CNC operations. Made from durable hardened steel with a black finish, it's easy to install and operate. Users praise its strong grip and reliability, though minor adjustments may be needed for non-standard T-tracks. Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set. The Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set, HS/SET/6, is a professional grade kit featuring M42 bimetal hole saws with 8% cobalt teeth for cutting timber, plastics, metals, and plasterboard. With a variable pitch tooth design, angled ejection slots, and ejection springs, it ensures smooth, fast cutting and easy plug removal. The set includes 6 saws, 16 to 51 mm, 2 arbors with HSS pilot drills, and a heavy-duty storage case, making it ideal for any electrician's drill-based tasks. Gyrliflyer Double Edge Trimmer. The Gyrliflyer Double Edge Trimmer is a handheld woodworking tool designed to trim both sides of edge banding in a single pass, delivering smooth, flush finishes on wood, PVC, melamine, and plywood. Its durable high-carbon steel blades and ergonomic body make trimming efficient and comfortable. Suitable for edge banding 15 to 40 mm wide and 0.3 to 0.6 mm thick. It often includes replacement blades. Users praise its speed, precision, and ease of use, making it a must-have for furniture and cabinet projects. Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw. The Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw KD03F is a portable manual tool designed for precise cutting of insulation materials with minimal debris. Its sharp, wave-shaped alloy blade, HRC50-55, ensures efficient cuts, while the foldable design and safety lock provide secure, compact storage. The ergonomic ABS plus TPU handle offers a non-slip, comfortable grip for prolonged use. Ideal for wood fiberboards, mineral wool, fiberglass, and styrofoam. It comes in 10-inch and 16.5-inch blade versions. Infinity Tools, sleeveless, sanding drums. The Infinity Tools, sleeveless sanding drums revolutionize sanding by allowing any standard sheet sandpaper to be used, eliminating costly proprietary sleeves. Featuring a flexible internal locking mechanism, the drums secure paper tightly for a smooth, consistent finish. Made of durable plastic with a high traction TPR coating, they reduce runout for precise sanding. Compatible with drill presses and handheld drills, these versatile drums handle holes, curves, and edges efficiently. Users love their cost savings, reliability, and superior performance. GRIZZLY Dasqua T3 3585. The GRIZZLY Dasqua T 33585 is a 6-inch, 150mm digital dial caliper, offering precision, durability, and modern features. It combines a traditional dial with a high-contrast OLED display, providing measurements in inches, millimeters, and fractions. With plus or minus 0.001 inch accuracy, IP67 water and dust resistance, and hardened stainless steel surfaces, is built for demanding environments. Bluetooth connectivity and a rechargeable battery enhance usability, while intuitive functions like Hold, INC, and 2OL make it ideal for mechanics, engineers, and hobbyists. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a high-performance milling disc crafted in Germany for use with 115mm and 125mm angle grinders. Made from CNC milled, high-strength aluminum, it features durable, replaceable carbide cutting inserts for efficient carving and surfacing of wood and wood-based materials. The disc includes a chip thickness limiter for safer operation and is rated up to 14,500 RPM. Lightweight yet robust, it delivers precision, long-lasting performance, and reliable results for professional woodworking projects. TSO 20mm Chamfer Dogs. The TSO 20mm Chamfer Dogs are precision machine bench dogs designed for 20mm hole pattern worktops like Festool MFT/3 or CNC routed tables. Their chamfered design makes them self-centering and self-squaring for highly accurate layout and cutting. Sitting flush below the work surface, they allow unobstructed placement of workpieces made from durable aluminum. They come in small, stubby, medium, and tall sizes, with close fit and standard fit options, and include threaded holes for clamping with M8 speed knobs for secure work holding.